Welcome all dear students and doctors in Ayurveda Adhyan e-lecture series. Before this we have completed 5 lectures, say 5 lectures continuously, that is first is Arogyavardhani, Sudshekar, Chandraprabhavati, Arsha Kotharas and Agni Tundivati. So today we'll going to learn that is Kamdudharas. It's very important kalpa in our general Ayurveda practice. So in this lecture we'll try to learn its ingredients, its rogagnatha, its contraindications and its safety profile and all those things like previous lectures. So let's start today's session. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वंतरे अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः. So before going to in details in reference and shloka and ingredients, first thing we have to discuss, that is why name Kamduda has been given to this particular kalpa. So in simple language we can say and we can understand, इच्छित को प्राप्त करने के देने वाली औषधि, इसीलिए इसे कामदुदा रस कहा गया है. So its reference is from given is taken from Rasayog Sagar Grantha, and on the screen you can see this all ingredients like Mautik, Praval, Mukta, Shukti, Varatika, Shankha Bhasma, Gairik and Guduchi Sattva. So we'll go in detail with all ingredients and its Ayurveda property. So let's start with this first one. The first picture you are seeing on this slide, on this PPT, that is Mautik Bhasma. So Mautik Bhasma has Ayurveda important properties. It is Shita Viryatmak, Ahladdayak, Rakta Stambhan, and its main property, that's why it has taken in this kalpa, that is Pitta Shamak. It is also in Rakta Samak Karma, Oja Vardhan and Rudya. So let's go to the next, that is Praval Pishti. Praval Pishti has a Shit Virya and Madhur Rasatmak and main activity, that is Pitta Shamak. So third ingredient, that is Mukta Shukti Bhasma. It has a Rakta Stambhak activity and another Kapardika Bhasma. This is our original Kapardika, and this medicinal form we have to take Kapardika Bhasma. It has an important property, that is Agni Dipan, Pachak and Shulagna. So Shulagna property generally Amashay, Pakwashay and all this intestinal region. Another important ingredient, that is Shankha Bhasma. It's a Shankha Bhasma is generally Deepak, Agni Deepak, Pachak and Shulagna. Shuddha Gairik, Sonkav in Marathi we can say, Suvarna Gairik we can say. So it's a Shuddha we have to take. It's a Varne property. Its main action is Rakta Prasadan, Pitta Shamak and Upalemak. Last but very important, that is Amruta Sattva or Guduchi Sattva or Guluvel Sattva. So as you know, Guduchi is very important property is Rasayan and Balya. So as per Ayurveda, we have to understand the Tridosh Dhatu Avastha and its activity and its Pancha Bhautikatva as per the Ayurveda principle. So we can say or we can understand Kamduda Ras, it's a Shita Viryatmak Kalpa. So it is its main important function is Rakta Dhatu Prasadan, and main and most important, that is Pitta Shamak activity. So as per Ayurveda condition, it's generally Pitta Shaman, on which Dhatu its main action taking place, that is Rasa, Rakta, Asti Dhatu, and on Mala, all Mala Mutra Swet, in which Avastha we have to use this. So by the name itself we can say we have to use in Niram Avastha. What are the Vishesh Gun we can say of this Kalpa? Shaman, Ropan, Sandhanak, Stambhak, Asti Poshak. As per Dravyagun Vijnan principles, its Kashaya Rasatmak, its Vipak is Madhur, and already we have told that is a Shita Viryatmak Kalpa. So as per Panchabhautik principle, how it is action and how it is take place. So it increases or do vardhan of Prithvi and Apa Tattva it decreases tej tattva. So it's an important activity as per Panchabhotik Siddhanta. So let's go to the next slide and to learn Matra, Anupan and Kal. As per Grantha, 2 to 4 gunja they have mentioned. Anupan generally they have mentioned as milk and sugar, and Kal they have mentioned afternoon and night, so generally Pitta Kal, and duration they have clearly mentioned in Siddha Aushadhi Yoga Sangraha, that is maximum 42 days we can give. So let's go to the next slide and to learn that is Rogadikar. So Kamduda, everyone knows its main action is on acidity and something else, but in today's lecture we will learn Kamduda in so much conditions we can use. So let's go to the Granthokta Gundharma Shlok. So this is a slide shows Churna Jwara, Brahma, Unmat, Pitta Rog, Amla Pitta, Soma Rog. In these conditions, as per Rasayog Sagar Grantha, we can use Kamduda Ras. But how can you use, and along with which medications we can use, that is very important. For that, we'll go to the next slide. So first, as per the text, we can understand this diagram of Rakta Pitta. So Rakta Pitta, they have two types. In which conditions we can use this Kamduda Ras, or so we'll try to learn in this slide about this property. When Tikshnata and Ushnata, Dravata, if increase in Pitta, in that condition Rakta Pitta Vadi can, its pathology can be taken place. In this condition, if it is patient of Urdhva Gami Rakta Pitta, if it is Rugna is Balwan, in such a condition we have to do Virechan. In Adhogami we have to do Vaman. This is a classical protocol as per all Vaidya are following, and then we can use Kamduda Ras. Along with medical conditions on other drugs we have to use. If it is Rugna is Durubal, or it is not fit or indicated, we can say fit as per principles of Panchakarma for Shodhan. In this condition, without Shodhan, we can use Shaman Aushadhi as a Kamduda Ras. So in along with these other conditions in where we can use Kamduda Ras, so generally its principle is it decreases Tikshnata, Ushnata of Rakta in hematemesis, hematuria, malina and Nasagat Rakta Pitta. In this condition we can use Kamduda Ras. So in this condition we can use Amal, that is Anupan, as Kamal Phanda, Durva Swaras, and that is these are the important, or another Anupan we can add, that is Banyan trees Twak Kadha. That also we can use along with this Kashaya Rasatmak Dravya. So as per Grantha, Jwara Rogeshu, so in which Jwara we can use Kamduda Ras, that is in Pitta Pradhan Vyadhi. So in this condition we can use, in this diagram we have shown thermometer and lying down patient. This is a pictorial presentation, is not related with in this temperature we can use Kamduda or all those things. In Ayurveda time, in that time there was no such instruments, so there is no any relation of this we can say diagram and my sentences. So in Jwara Pachaman Avastha, Jwara is Tivra. In this condition patient may be definitely suffering from Trushna, Daha, and these conditions get increased by Tikshnata and Ushnata of Rakta, and the Pitta get increased, and in this condition it affects heart and brain. In these conditions patient may present some other symptoms also like Brahma, Pralap and Daha, Trushna. So in this condition we can use Kamduda Ras along with some other medications as per medical conditions of patient. And Pitta Jwar, Vata Pitta Pradhan Jwar and Sanipatik Jwar, in this condition also we can use Kamduda Ras. So its main action in this kalpa, that is it decreases or it suppresses chief dosha which increases or which forms jwara pathology, and its important karma, that is it gives and strengthening dhatu bal. So in this along with in other medical conditions like pulmonary tuberculosis or rajakshma, in this condition if there is a jwara avastha or other conditions, in that condition we can use kamduda ras along with goat milk as anupan or vasa growth or mahatikta growth. So dear doctors and students, we'll go to the next disease in which we can use. So that is very famous disease, that is amla pitta. So amla pitta and kamduda, we can say equation, it might be wrong but it's 100% correct. So in which conditions of amla pitta we can use kamduda ras, and in which conditions we can use Laghu Sutshekar, Avipittikar Vati and Sutshekar. These are debate questions and we'll definitely take for a separate e-lecture on this debate of selection of antacid drugs as per Ayurveda in different medical conditions. This is a question and so many our viewers or so many doctors have asked on our WhatsApp in personal chat, because our all groups have given a setting, that is admin can post that because of this crucial condition. So with I give 100% assurance to these doctors that definitely we are taking a separate e-lecture on this, because it's a vast topic and it required primary foundation is that we have to understand first all kalpa, then we can decide everything. So in first phase we are conducting some rasakalpa which acts on pitta dosh and amlata. So after that we'll go to take that is selection lecture. So first action of this kamdudaras on as amla pitta, we have to understand the pathology of amla pitta. So generally mithya ahar we are, as every Ayurveda doctors know why mithya ahar we are अति मात्र भोजन, अकाली भोजन, कटुतिक्त रस अति सेवन, पित्तवर्धक पदार्थ अति सेवन. In this condition there is a anna va srutasdushti and then apachan, and then amashayagat food cannot travel to the grahani, and in this condition there is a vidaktata in forming amashaya and it's stand there for long time. Then shukta pak is formed, and this condition amavishkit form, and this is nothing but we can say amla pitta. So patient may suffering from pain at epigastric region, nausea or vomiting, uradaha, udarashula, headache, shirashula, shuddhanas. These are the classical conditions. In this condition, we can use kama dudharas with neem, salt, that is saindav, vacha, warm water. What this? Not anupan? No, we have to give vaman of this particular medicine and we have to do shodhan, and after that, after shodhan, we can use kamdudaras. So in this condition, first important work, that is shodhan. Then pachan, if another medical condition, we can turn to understand disease, that is gastritis. In this condition, kamdudaras have very much important property to give proper lining to inner linings of we can say amashay or intestine. A gastritis in condition, amashay is very important. So constant taking of we can say painkillers or NSAIDs, and in this condition chronic acidity may 100% develop to the gastritis. So in gastritis condition, kamdudavati has gairik as well as amruta sattva and other madhura and shita viryatmak ingredients. So definitely it's very important for gastritis. So next, this diagram, that is in this medical condition, that is mutragat marga vikar, especially in burning micturition, daha pak symptoms are there. In this condition, kamduda ras, it's very important because it contains all shita viryatmak ingredients as well as madhur ras, and that's why we can use this kamduda ras in all this type of burning micturition conditions. So we'll go to the next slide, this diagram. every Ayurveda doctor can understand, and definitely they have good treatment. They are doing very best treatment in their clinical practice. So yes, it is a Shita Pitta in all allergic conditions, all Shita Pitta, Udarda, Kotha. In this condition, we can use Kamdodharas along with other medications or with Shodhan, then Shaman Chikitsa. Kamdodharas contains all important ingredients, all are Rakta Prasadak Dravya, Prithvi Mahabhut Pradhan Dravyas, and so in this condition we can definitely give release to the patient at least for this particular medical illness. So we can go to the next slide. This is herpes zoster. In herpes zoster there may be severe Shopha, Paka, Daha. So along with other important medications, Kamdudaras have very important property to decrease at least, not at least 100% Daha avastha of patient. So in herpes zoster condition, we can use Kamdudaras along with other medications for this particular important medical illness. So peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer, in this condition we can use Kamdudaras along with Amalki, Shatavari, Vanshalochan and Estimadhuchurna. And peptic ulcer conditions, in this condition we can definitely get result to heal all ulcers by these medications. And in these medications we have to use Kamdudavati 250 milligram, Amalki 250 milligram, Shatavari Churna, that is 500 milligram, Vanshalochan 500 milligram, and Estimadhuchurna 1000 milligram. So let's go to the next medical condition, in vertigo. In this condition, pitta get increase. In this condition, poor circulation, if the pathology or reason of this vertigo, in this condition we can use Kamduda Ras with Arjun Churna or Arjun Kshir. If a patient suffering with anxiety and then vertigo, in this condition we can use Kamduda Vati with Jatamansi. If there is inner ear problem, in this condition we can use Sariva Devati with for vertigo condition. So as per the causes we can select Kamdudavati along with important medications, and we'll go to the next disease in which Kamdudavati. So yes, this is a gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is GERD. It's partly we can do the treatment by medicines or surgical disorder also. So in these medical conditions we can correlate with Vatas Pitta Chardi. As per Acharya Charak, treatment protocol should be Basti Karma, Anuloman, Ghrutapan, Brahan, Stamban, and after that with we can give Kamdudaras with Bhunimbadi Kada. So this the references we have taken from senior Ayurveda practitioners like Vruddha Vaidya Parampara. So they have treated so many patients as per this Shodhan, then Bhunimbadi Kada and Kamdudaras. So my aim to share their clinical experiences to all young doctors and students, so they can definitely know this ki there are different medical conditions and we have good treatment plans also. So it's a knowledge sharing approach. So by this formula, or we can say not formula but formulation, we can give abdominal pain relief also, not only burning sensation. So let's go to the next slide to understand another disease. Yes, this is stomatitis, and Ayurveda we can say Mukhapak. So generally in Mukhapak we can, in modern medicine approach, we are giving vitamin B complexes or some home remedies, but Kamdudaras is very effective. It's not alternative, it's a good medicine for these conditions. Why it is? Because it's a Pitta Shamak, it is a Varnaropak, and this property which helps to heal these all ulceration conditions. So it's a Shita Viryatmak which helps to reduce a burning sensation, and it's contain iron, and it's a very good hemetic also with it has very faster healing property, or also it controls earlier the burning sensation also, and also it decreases its inflammation, swelling, and the major important symptom that is dyspepsia. So Kamdudaras, we have learned in this medical condition, it's very active and useful. So after this discussion, we have to focus on its side effects. So side effects, as per text of Siddha Yoga Sangraha, if we give more than 42 days, definitely it will increases constipation, but is rarely observed in some practice because we never giving this type of 60-70 days or 3 months Kamduda. Why it is? Because generally it contains Guru and Pancha Prithvi Mahabhut Pradhan Dravyas, so it may increases Agni Mandya, or that would develop into the constipation activity. Another important, we can say, it contains some calcium derivatives, so it may relieve from renal colics, so that's why we have to take care. So in pregnancy, Kamdudaras is considerably safe for pregnant women, and you can use for nausea, vomiting, and morning sickness. In lactation, Kamdudaras is considerably safe during lactation and this period also. So contraindications. So contraindication, as per modern medicine, it contains calcium drugs. So in hyperkalemia and hematochromatosis, this condition, we should not use Kamduda Ras. So summary, as this drug contains Praval, that is Shamak, Shitvirya, Mutral, and Rakta Prasadak. In Shankabhaspa, that is Pachak, Kapardika also Pachak, Amruta Sattva, that is Upalepak and Jwaragna, Suvarna Gairik, that is its important function is that is Tambak and Rakta Prasadak. So by these medical properties we can use in all these whatever we have discussed, that is Mukapax, stomatitis, that is GERD, vertigo, then herpes zoster, Shita Pitta, on Amla Pitta, then Rakta Pitta, Nasa Raktagat Pitta. In this organ, in all conditions we can use Kamdudavati. Apart from this, we can use in Rakta Pradhara Avastha or in Garbhini Chardi, and most important in Pitta Tesar, Rakta Tisar, and Grahani Vyadhi. We can use Kamdudaras in these medical conditions also. So thank you all for calm listening and giving support to Ayurveda Adhyayan activity. It's sincere request from all me and Dr. Seema Garje to all doctors. That is very important, and very important say request, that is please do like these videos and share to all your WhatsApp groups. Why? Because it's a lockdown period, and our aim is to spread this Kalpabhyas clinical experiences to all Vaidyas, because it's a knowledge sharing program and it's a free e-lecture series program. So it's an important educational activity, and our aim is it has to be spread across the country and across the globe. So let's join with all social media, that is Facebook page also and WhatsApp groups. Kindly WhatsApp your name and city to 9987 2878 and 47, so we can add you in our WhatsApp groups, that is Ayurveda Adhyayan, so we can able to share with you all PDF study materials that is created by us, not forwarded from others. Also we can share some clinical cases and we'll get update of our activity. And most important, that to join this e-lecture series we have to pay nothing, just we have to, for membership you have to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button, so you can get all notifications whenever we updates new videos. So with Dr. Garje Ayurveda Clinic and Panchakarma Center, myself Dr. Ramdas Garje and Dr. Seema Garje says thank you all. Jai Ayurved. We'll meet soon in next important lecture. Bye. That is Jai Ayurved.